How to chop off video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your CapCut app. Here we go. Now tap on this option of new project. Your gallery will open up. From here select the video that you want to chop. Here I'm gonna select this one video. Now first you have to tap on the video. Now just fix the position where you want to cut the video. Here I'm gonna set it at 10 seconds. Now at the bottom different options will appear. Here you have to select this option of split, and here you can see that I just chopped the video. You have to apply the same process to chop the video again. First you have to fix the position and then you have to tap on this option of split, and here you go. This is how you can chop video in CapCut. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.